Hello everyone, Tom here from CourtFlow, and today we're going to look at how to create and join a session. From our club, we're going to go and click on the View Sessions icon, which gives a list of all the sessions we have created already. None at the moment. So let's create a new session now. So we're going to create a session for the Friday night social. It's going to be a 2-hour event at the Ballarat High School. So we've set the title, we've set the venue. Now we're going to set the date and time that this is going to take place. So we'll make this at 6 p.m. on Friday. We have the option of setting the capacity mode. So whether that is a fixed or flexible session. We have the option to set the format, which we can go into in a later video. We have the option to gate the session by skill level. We can go into that in another video as well. So now we're going to set the ideal player count, how many players we can support, and the maximum player count, if we're going to introduce buyers or people sitting out. We're going to enter the number of courts that we have available, and this comes into play with other sessions. A price for members and a price for non-members. Then we're going to uncheck the King of the Court enabled, which just gives a king court, and hit create. So now we have our session there. If we want to share this list with others, we can use the QR code generator. So that can be shared and saved or popped on your social media. So now let's have a look from the user's perspective. How are they going to sign up to this session? So now we're a user, not an admin. So when we view the sessions and click into it, we have the option to register a number of players. So you can register one or more players for any session, and you have the option there of changing their names if you wish. So now we're going to pay for that session with our Stripe account. We'll click through there, enter in our security code, and then we'll hit pay. So from a user, that's all there is to join a session. And now let's have a look from the administration side on what they see on the back end. So as an admin, we can go into that same session, and we have a new button available to us, the Manage button. So this is the back end side of our session. We can see all the people who have checked in, all the people who have paid, what their membership status is, member or non-member. We can also see if they're here or if they're not. We can also see a summary of who's here as well. So if we need to collect payment off people if they didn't pay via Stripe, we can do that as well. So to start your club and run your sessions without the chaos, visit courtflow.com.au.